I wish to inform the public that we are going to deploy extraordinary measures in the county to catalyze the voter registration as follows. Number one, no services will be offered to people without IDs and voter card in public and private. Meaning, if you don't have a voter and whatever, and you go to the hostel, you will be turned away.
Now, voter's card is just to help you remember that you are registered as a voter. It is not a must that you must produce it. It is the stakeholders who decided. Because the numbers are low, what can we do? And they arrived at a solution that anybody may be entering Bondo town and possibly even this Siaya town. They can just be asked, not to harass. So we ask them to ask politely, people entering town, are you registered as a voter or not?